Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Sarah and I am thrilled to have you here. On this channel, we will learn new phrases to make English easy. So let's get started. So the first phrase is to ask around. And the meaning of this phrase is to ask the same question to several people. For example, I'm not sure if my company is hiring, but I will ask around and let you know.
And the next phrase is to break out, and the meaning of this phrase is to spread. For example, when the news break out about the war, a lot of people going to protest.
And the third phrase is to break the ice, and the meaning of this phrase is to make people who have not met before feel more relaxed with each other. For example, the new employee meeting was kind of awkward, so she told a joke to break the ice.
And the next phrase is bite the bullet. And the meaning of this phrase is to force yourself to do something unpleasant or difficult, or to be brave in a difficult situation. For example, the college gave me a scholarship, so I should not bite the hand that feeds me, and I criticize its hiring policies.
And the last phrase is under the weather. And the meaning of this phrase is not very well. For example, I don't feel like hanging out today. I am feeling a bit under the weather.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure to leave a comment below.